Alright, so here we go. Another ride from the Ponds. 2016 KX450. Switched up the course a little bit here. Just showing you a little different course I'm running today. Mostly the same, but a few different parts. Trying to run some 15-minute motos or so. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but wasn't super strict on time, but I was just kind of winging it here. Nice rainy day in Southern Oregon. Back on the Cowie. These little berms are fun. Yeah, just kind of out today for a little mud practice, a little rain practice. Not my favorite place to ride, but it's close to home. Saved me a little money on fuel. I'm sure you've all noticed the $5 a gallon gas prices. A bit crazy for me. Just trying to save a dime today, get a ride in. Still get a good workout. See what we can do here. That's all I got for now. I'm out.